All right, need to leave these fair value gaps and get back under. This could be your first opportunity. This would be your second. See if the top of this will push it down. Beautiful. We'll see. What do we do? Now at least it gives us some structure. That price pushes back through. Like I said, that could be first entry, second entry. I am short as outlined. Now, if it gets under the opening in VWAP here, the retest of that could be a short as well. I am short. I've got 10 points of profit to play with, and that's what I'm playing with. And I'm flat. I think I'm going to take my 10 points and call it. 4, 8, 15-point candles. My goodness. Well, took a couple strategic shorts, made 5 points, and then took a break even. So I need something juicy now if I'm willing to risk any of my points again. So great example of just taking the gift to break even. If you took the retap of this and you're holding a single runner, don't blame you. If you're flat, don't blame you either. I'm flat. Man, and if you were brave enough to take the apex of Battle Plan 1, you're still short. I would not have taken it. I was wanting to see a slam back in, and we did. We had a 15-point candle coming back in, and we had a move. I was hoping that when we broke this opening in VWAP, that was going to be it, and we were coming down to here. It's not what happened. I'm glad I took the gift to break even and reset and wait for the next trade. Nothing to write home to mom about, but 10 points is 10 points. Well, 4 15-point candles. Traditional wisdom for our group says it's a no trade day. Very difficult to trade in this environment. If you get the gift of a move where it goes up 10 points, I recommend you snag it. Now, you do have the single prints above you, the bull bear above you. Unfortunately, there was no real way for me to be long here, my opinion. The bears had a chance, and I think they failed. This was their chance. This was their chance. They got under the opening and under VWAP and failed. And right here, I believe, is where they start getting out. It'll be real interesting to see what happens from here. Actually, I took this short, and I took a speculative short, in all honesty, when it broke. Using the points I made here. And took 5 and took 5. And then when it came back to the opening, I took the short again. I mean, I took it again on a 1 minute. That's a 1 minute backside against the opening against VWAP. Seemed like a really good level to take that short, but it went against me. Betting the points I made on the first 2 trades, it came back to break even a little, and I took it. And boy, that turned out to be the bounce to the north. You know, I guess if this thing came into here and bounced back up and gave something, I might take the second ladder long. But I want it to push down and prove to me. So that's what I would look for here. If it pushed down and bounced off here, beautiful. It gave me this. I'd probably take the second one. All right, this is Real Time George. We got that exact long we mapped out. If it pushed back down into here, got back above, there would be the second ladder long that I said I would probably take this second ladder long. I did not take that trade, and that's turning out to be the miss of the day. You know, you can't cry over spilt milk. I already had 3 trades, twice profitable, once break even. When we were trading this morning, we were looking for battle plan number 1 here, for it to come to this level here, give us a pushback under here, give us a short off the top of this or a short off the bottom of that. And that's what happened there. I mean, that's just beautiful, right? It came to there, it pushed down, it gave us a short off the top, basically gave you a short off the bottom if you took this one. Some of us took that one again. So we were on the right side of price action here, but what you have to recognize is, when does that change? And when that changes, you have to get with the other side. And that's why we mapped out a second ladder long there that I personally did not take. If you took that trade and you're still long, hold a single runner back. I would be targeting the bull bear line up here as the perfect location. Could price keep going? Absolutely. So you want to play perfect chess. So Sometimes it works out that way. We were seeing price action correctly here. For shorts, we saw price action correctly here. For longs, you know it, and you're not in every move. Last week, I gave it the tip of the day a couple times. Just because the price is moving doesn't mean it's your move on your terms. So what do? I'm back to waiting for the next trade setup to happen and take it with confidence. Remember, tonight, the battle plan is unlocked for everyone, so you can see up to 6 trade ideas that we are interested in, and then come trade with us live tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning, and I will see you then.